when it comes out?
Yeah, I did. There you go.
All right. So we're making some infusible ink outdoor pillows. That's our Cricut Maker 3 we just got. It's awesome. It's so much fun. The cool thing about infusible ink is that since it's infused into the pillows, it can get wet. It's never going to bleed. It's never going to peel off. It's never going to crack.
That's good.
Awesome Barney Quilt pattern. Is that how to design? I love it. All right. Put this aside. Just need to press this a little bit. Cricut has some really good blanks for this. Awesome pillow covers.
Do you want to let them know why you're not pressing on them
Yeah.
in the middle?
I'm leaving that little cross in the middle. It helps line it up. It helps line the transfer sheet up. When I press it, it's going to go away anyway. Put the cardstock out. Just so the infusible ink wouldn't seep through to the other side. And then lint roll.
Looks so good. That one's rather easy to
Yeah,
center.
this one's very easy to center. That looks pretty good. It's off by a few millimeters, no one's gonna notice, and I'm not gonna tell.
Exactly. There you go.
Now, next step. Transfer sheet.
It's not transfer sheet.
I mean, not transfer sheet. Butcher paper.
Meet Greg Ramage,
Been a long day, what can I say?
Cricut influencer.
Next step, martini. Ah, that's better. Now we can put it through.
There you go.
So this design is will fit in here, right?
9.75 again.
Okay.
So,
All right, so we're gonna have to do a double press on this because the design's a little bit bigger for this pillow.
yeah.
Not a problem. 385 degrees,
Yep.
60 seconds, double press, straight up, straight down. Like
Starts now. Wow,
Oh, it
that
looks good.
that does look good. I wasn't expecting that.
I was expecting that.
I know.
All right, so this, hang on, let me get the,
I wasn't so for this, but it really does look good.
here's the color. And we're gonna do two of these exactly the same pattern because these two colors go really, really well together. Teal and orange, classic. So it's retro marble, I love it. First
Yeah.
time using it, I love it.
It does look good, especially with this nice bulky design.
Yeah.
Here you go. That's it. That's all it needed.